So finally, it is time for Future Cloud, which is what I'm sure you've been waiting for. So this is our VIPX exclusive teaching software that joins you and your student together in a virtual classroom. And what is really great about it is that it is actually created in-house. So VIPX made the software, you cannot find it anywhere else. And that means that they also listen to us as teachers when we give feedback and input about features we want to see, things that aren't working, and we can work out all the kinks together instead of relying on some other program and not having any power to fix anything. So let's install Future Cloud together so that we can start exploring all the features it has to offer. Below this LMS video, if you just scroll down, you're going to see some download links. So I'll give you a second to do that. And then you're going to see that there is a Mac and Windows version. So you're going to need to install the appropriate one based on your operating system, similar to what we did for DingTalk. And you might also notice that there are 2 download links options for each section. And the reason we have that is just because if you happen to click one, like let me click this first one, it might say that it can't be found. So that's depending on the accessibility that your computer allows. So let me try number 2. And this is going to lead me to a OneDrive file. So just the same as Google Drive, but hosted by Outlook instead. And after it loads, you're going to see that it starts downloading your file right away. So it's a .exe file, which is an install, and it's going to lead you through the process just about the same as DingTalk. So let's give it a second to start downloading right at the bottom over here. Won't take long. So once it's complete, as you can see, it's finishing up here. You can just click that little top button again and either do Open when done, open, or show in folder. So this time, let's do show in folder, just to show you where it might go to in your downloads. So as you can see, I've downloaded it a couple of times, and it will appear as VIPX_teacher, etc. So if you can't find it or you don't have this little download bar at the bottom, then all you have to do is navigate through your sidebar on your file navigator window and go to downloads or wherever it happens to be. And if you still can't find it, you can just search up here and it will find the files that it has loaded under. So let's just take a look at where it downloaded for me, and I'm going to double click here and it's going to launch the installation process. So let's give that a second. And if it asks you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, then you can just click yes once again. All it's going to do is just add the application to your folder. And then it's going to take a little while to just begin the startup. For me, it's already installed on my computer, so it's just going to ask if I want to uninstall it first. I'm going to click cancel because I trust that you'll be able to go through the installation process on your own. It's super straightforward. All you have to do is click next, 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 install, etc. So once it is downloaded onto your computer, then you will see it appear on your desktop. So it should appear as something like this. And if you can't find it in your desktop, or if you're on a Mac computer, you might have to just go to your file navigator window yourself and then go to Documents or Downloads to find it again, or Applications in your Applications folder if you are on a Mac. As a side note, as a Mac user, you might encounter some firewall issues. And if that's the case, then you can just go to the next page in LMS, which will be a troubleshooting guide for you. So this is going to just guide you through the system of turning off your firewall. It's very simple. It has all the pictures that you need, and you can just follow the instructions in order to download your application. And from there, you should be able to launch it.